oh, shut up. And, oh, there it is. So hands, what? Oh, that was so cool. That was amazing. All right, here we go. Motorcycle wobble, save at 115 miles per hour. Why are we going that fast? Why are we going that fast? Why are we going that fast? That is beyond lucky at that point. There's not much to say about that one. Should not be going that fast. Emre.
Such intensity of the road traffic and trying to show off for the driver ends up costly for this biker.
Oh, that was so cool. That was amazing. Wow. Okay, good job, man. Let's go ahead and land it, and then let's go ahead and, you know, ride along. Oh, we got to do it again. Woo! Oh, shit. All right, so now you just ruined that guy's car, too. And, oh, there it is. So hands. What happened to your glove on your right hand, by the way? I see that he has his headphones hooked up into his ear, probably a phone in his jacket. I know you guys don't like it when I advertise it, but get a rock for him, get a Bluetooth. Okay, Cardo? Oh, cracked. Oh, hey, it worked out pretty good. Okay, we're not going to spend too much time. Doesn't even have a headlight. I wonder if that thing popped off. He's just having a lot of fun. You know, he's just playing around with his buddy. So we're going to be doing this. We're going to go a little bit too wide. Now, here's the problem when you land on your back and your butt. Okay? First off, you land on your butt, you're going to break your coccyx. It's your tailbone. We're going to be falling down on that and snap a few things, and you're going to have to let that heal and sit on a donut for a little bit, which, by the way, we have quite a few. Just don't sit on these ones. And we're going to go ahead and land down. So once again, our body's natural reaction is to put our hands down so we can protect our core. We're not wearing real gloves here, so there's not going to be any impact protection on that hand. So make sure you guys are being smart riders and utilizing, actually getting it first and then utilizing personal protective equipment. And we're going to go ahead and now put our right hand down. So we're going to lose a little bit of flesh on that one. Hopefully we don't. But it's going to still be painful on that impact. You saw his wrist fall back. And we're not really wearing any gear. So we're going to have a lot of trauma to us. Hopefully not too severe. When I say trauma, you're going to have just, you know, a lot of minor stuff happening. But still, you don't want to be doing that. So be a little bit safer. Choose a better situation to be doing this in. Don't be doing it here. Do a better risk assessment. Okay? Assess that risk. Anyways, Angel or not, here we go. Lane filtering. We should be in orange stage already. Watch out for brake lights. Anybody merging over. Rev bombing does not work. We're going to move on because this guy's an idiot. We should have seen that pattern, and we didn't. But rev bombing is not going to do anything for you. Watch out for that guy. He almost got hit, too. Go to keep moving over. Yeah, it's right on your face. Who cares? Oh, my gosh. Move on. I don't want to see it. I don't care. Oh, we got another one. Here we go. Another blinker. You gonna watch for the blinker? Oh, shut up. Come on. Who cares? You almost got hit right there. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Him, Chad. Oh, we got a Chad here. There you go. Hey. Let's see. Does he have full gear? Yeah, he's got gloves. He's got gloves. He probably broke his finger. I'm all for stunting if you can stunt safely. So let's take a look. Risk assessment here. Nobody on the road. Nobody. We got plenty of tarmac to work with. We're practicing our wheelies because he screwed up the first one. Plenty of road. Okay, cool. So the major hazards when it comes to stunting, and what I don't like about stunting, is they do it with a crowded area with pedestrians and cars and other motorcyclists and big group rides. So this is fine. I'm good with this. We got a risk assessment going on. We have full gear. We have an open road, nobody around. And he hits the ground. So you got your head and everything, but he's got motorcycle boots right there. He's got motorcycle pants, and he's got gloves, jacket, helmet. Very good. He's trying his best to stunt safely. And so he's going to hit his right hand, though. So here's the gloves. Okay, so just because you have gear on doesn't mean you're not going to have an issue. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. because he feels the pain, so he wants to look underneath. Finger, but he's still got some abrasions. Probably, he's moving it. That's good. I'm just really glad he was stunting safely. Did a good job with his risk assessment, wearing gear. Showed us this. Join the Discord. Stone Mountain Moto. Here we go. Go a little bit fast. Are you gonna get pissed off at that person because you weren't ready? You weren't in, orange stage coming up to an intersection? No, you're so focused on your thing.
I thought you saw me. I almost kept going. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
You almost kept going.
You didn't hit me.
It was a stop sign. Okay. Everything's good. Everything's good. I'm glad the interaction was good, but let's go ahead and do another risk assessment. That is a stop sign. We should be stopping. This is a blind corner right here. We have a vehicle right there. Are we really paying attention? Because on the left side, we have a terrible line of sight. We don't even know if the traffic is going to continue going or there's a car there. So if we're going to continue going, which, by the way, we're going to hit that grass over there, not a good situation. Maybe he wants to jump it. But we're over here at the mall because we don't have anything else to do today. And, we're going to do some wheelies. Let's go back a little bit so you can actually see the wheelie part. So here we go. Got some wheelie up. And now we're going to go ahead and have to go down because we saw that pattern, that side of the vehicle. Now, that person did cut it off. I know a lot of you guys are saying, oh, you guys don't tell the car driver that they did nothing wrong. Yeah, they did something wrong. But what are we doing, right? So we got cut off a little bit. So good job with the progressive braking with whatever he has on that dirt bike or that dual sport bike. Slowing it down a little bit. Thankfully, there's nobody coming that way. But rev bombing, everybody's kind of in the wrong here a little bit. Maybe she's a little bit more. That's why she apologized. Maybe she apologized. And that's it. So she was so upset with herself and concerned. Wasn't that close. Could have stopped sooner, but I made the mistake of thinking she saw me. That is the biggest thing here. Never make that mistake of a driver seeing you. Let's go ahead and get that off the screen so I can push this on the screen. We have inattentional blindness, okay? You could literally not see something right in front of you if you're not paying attention. And that right there is why we focus on the yellow stage. We don't want to be in white stage. If we're in white stage, we're zoned out. We're not going to see anything. Okay, it's just like when you drive home from work and you're like, how did I get home? That's white stage. You screwed up. Thankfully, you got home. You want to zone in. Maybe have some good music playing. I don't know. Zone into the ride, into the drive. Intersections, orange stage. Corners, orange stage. Red stage, we're going to have to do emergency brake, emergency swerving. Brown stage, typically you see that with panic braking and you get a little bit of poo-poo in your pantalones. All right, here we go. CBR 600 dies mid-wheelie after scrape and mouse traps. Wait, there's mouse traps on the road? Oh! Rescue a rider, buddy. You got to rescue that rider. Could be a high injury. Oh, he's standing. Good. So that's an assessment section right there. Let's go back just a little bit. That's an assessment. When you see him walking and actually picking things up, what this tells me, no broken legs unless there's adrenaline really kicking in. No broken arms, no broken back unless adrenaline's kicking in, unless he's faking that he has pain. The structural stability of his body, the musculoskeletal system is intact. His brain is at least intact because he would be able to do that. His heart is working because if he's not working, he's not pumping blood, which can't move anything, so he's not going to be able to do anything. And then his lungs, his airway is open. You can really check by having your Cardo Pack Dog Bold, using the link in the description if you really want to, by talking to him. Say, hey, buddy, you okay? And he says, yeah, I'm okay. Boom, airway open, he's breathing. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.